So hello namaskar azir video ta apnalok top 10 richest men in India amar India top 10 richest men or bhitor kon kon ahe so update August 2024 notun update hoy so ami sobe janisil je Mukesh Ambani first asile so etia notun update ki aise 1 number rank ot aise Gautam Adani second on Mukesh Ambani ase 3 number ot Savitri Jindal and family 4 number ot Cyrus S Poonawalla and family 5 number Dilip Sangvi 6 number Kumar Mangala Birla and family 7 number Gopichand Hinduja and family 8 number Radhakishan Damani and family 9 number Azim Premji and family 10 number Niraj Bajaj and family so Mukesh Ambani share pela Gautam Adani 1 number ahi gol dekise so yet net road didia ase in ENR kororot so car kiman ase so apnaloke sai lobo source of wealth Adani group hoy Gautam Adani Mukesh Ambanir source of wealth Reliance industry malik hoy Savitri Jindal and family GSW group or hoy etu apunar rod bonwa heitut hoy company Cyrus S Poonawalla and family Serum Institute of India sola Dilip Sangvi hoise Sun Pharma industry hoy Kumar Mangala Birla Aditya Birla group or hoy Gopichand Hinduja and family apunar Hinduja group or hoy Radhakishan Damani apunar Avenue Supermet March or hoy Azim Premji Wipro hoy Niraj Bajaj apunar Bajaj Auto malik hoy so eketa asile ebur asole update bur sai thakibo lage so ketiaba hudi dia hoy India top 1 number richest man kon buli kole apnaloke etia kobo paribo Gautam Adani Mukesh Ambani nohoy thik ase etu ase so enedore fresh update jodi apnaloke information paboloi bisare so mor channel tu subscribe kori thodi so dhanyabad।